Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to forget Wi-Fi network in your Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to forget your Wi-Fi network, so as you can forget. And guys, now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in our Motorola phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, first of all, open your phone setting to forget your Wi-Fi network. Then guys, you can see your network and internet. So guys, tap here. Let's click on Wi-Fi. So which Wi-Fi network guys you want to forget in your Motorola phone device, you can forget. Guys, right side guys, you can see this setting icon. So guys, tap here and guys you can see your forget option, first one. So guys, tap here. So this Wi-Fi will forget, and guys when you will connect this Wi-Fi, so you will have to enter password again. So I hope friends you have understood how to forget Wi-Fi network in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.